Hello everyone, welcome to Dream Decor. Today in this video I share with you some French country farmhouse kitchen decoration ideas. Let's see the video. Creating a French country farmhouse kitchen blends rustic charm with elegant old world beauty. Here are some ideas to achieve that warm and welcoming aesthetic. Backsplash. Opt for a classic white subway tile backsplash or a more rustic look with terracotta tiles. Patterned tiles that mimic traditional French style can also add an eye-catching element. Flooring. Wood flooring printed in light colors or reclaimed wood can add rustic charm. Alternatively, consider terracotta tiles or patterned linoleum that mimics traditional French designs for a practical yet vintage feel. Ceiling details. If possible, incorporate exposed wooden beams printed in white or left in their natural states for an authentic rustic look. A bedboard ceiling printed white can also add texture and interest. Pot racks. Hang a wrought iron pot rack over the kitchen island or stove area. This not only looks charming but is also practical for storing pots and pans, making them easily accessible. Decorative plates and antiques. Hang decorative plates on the walls or display them in open cabinets for a traditional French country touch. I think these tips help you. Thank you so much for watching these videos.